right, I'm going to show you how to log in to your eLearn account and then edit your profile. So the first thing you got to do is you got to go up here to this proper URL, way up here. There it is. It's elearn.mcoe.org, and then you're going to click this big old login button. Now it's possible that the screen by the time you're using this video may look different in real life than it does in the video. Don't freak out. Basically, everything is going to be the same. You can see right here, this is kind of like a work in progress, but I need to make the video, so here it is. Anyway, you're going to log in by clicking in the login button, and you're going to have been given a username, and I'm going to log in as a fake teacher, and you've been given a password. Now, I don't know what your password is, but there you go. And you'll know you've logged in when it says your name up there in the upper right-hand corner. So basically, here's a quick website view of the website. You got your breadcrumbs up here, your main places. Home sends you back to this page right here. So wherever you go, if you click home, that sends you right back to this screen. Dashboard represents all your courses that you're a teacher in or a student in. So you're going to see this populated as you enroll as a teacher or as you enroll as a student. Right now, I want to just show you how to update your profile. So up here is your user menu. If I click this down arrow, I get this user menu that sends me again to the dashboard. I can view my profile right here, and I can edit my profile. Now I have two different places for me to edit my profile. I can click here to edit my profile, or under my user menu, I can edit my profile. They both just kind of send me to the same place. So here's my username. My email address would go right here, whether I want other people to see my email address or whatnot. I can enter in anything with that exclamation point is mandatory. Anything without that red exclamation point is optional. One of the cool things is, come on, let's get real and let's have a picture and include a picture of ourselves so that we can be more personable than just this fake logo up there, that fake thing. So I'm going to click here, and you're going to click upload a file, all right? And you're going to browse. And you're going to go onto your website, your computer, and you're going to find a picture of you, all right? And it just so happens, there's my picture of me. And I'm going to upload this picture. And I know it will have worked when I click update. And sure enough, there's my little picture up here in the user menu. I can go to my view profile. And there's my picture right there. And of course, I can continue editing all of this stuff. I can edit my description. I can click here and I can see what classes I'm currently a member of. Here's some other things that I have access to in my profile. But right here, here's the big thing where we really want teachers and parents and kids, to be uploading their pictures so that we can make this a personable experience.